Description/taste. Snow Mass Melon is a hybrid variety that produces the largest and sweetest honeydew melons. The large fruits average 6–8 in diameter and have a cream-colored exterior with a light green interior. Fruits have a dense flesh and a tight seed cavity, so there's no wasted space on the interior. This melon has the highest brix rating of any honeydew we carry. Snow Mass Melon has vigorous vines with resistance to fusarium wilt and powdery mildew. The strong vines produce large leaves that protect the fruits from sun damage. Snow Mass performs well in hot and humid climates and is particularly adapted to areas with a long growing season. Melons may be direct seeded or transplanted. For direct seeding, we recommend planting seeds every 1–2 along the intended row to ensure a good stand. Once plants emerge, thin plants to 1 every 2 feet. Melons can be susceptible to plant diseases if excess leaf moisture is present. As a result, we recommend using drip irrigation on watermelons to reduce leaf moisture and feed plants more effectively. During periods of heavy rainfall, using a fungicide like liquid copper can help to alleviate disease pressure as well. Nutritional value. Snow Mass melons are a good source of fiber to regulate the digestive tract and vitamin C to strengthen the immune system and reduce inflammation. The melons also provide potassium to balance fluid levels within the body, vitamin K to assist in faster wound healing, and contain other amounts of vitamin B6, magnesium, and folate. Applications. Snow Mass melons have a sweet, refreshing nature well suited for fresh preparations. The rind should be washed before opening, and the flesh can be sliced, tossed into green salads, balled and mixed into fruit salads, or consumed straight, out of hand. Snow Mass melons can also be sprinkled with salt, lemon juice, or chili powder for added flavor, stirred into yogurt and cereal, wrapped in cured meats, or used as a fresh topping over pancakes and waffles. Halved portions of the melon can be filled with cottage cheese and consumed as a snack or breakfast dish, or the flesh can be blended into smoothies, shakes, fruit punches, or cocktails. Description/taste. Korean melons are small to medium fruits, averaging 10 to 20 centimeters in length, and have an oval to oblong, uniform shape with blunt, curved ends. The melon's rind is thin, smooth, waxy, and matte, bright yellow, showcasing evenly spaced, linear white sutures extending the length of the fruit. There are also other varieties of Korean melon that can be found in ivory to green shades, but the bright yellow and white striped cultivars are the most common. Underneath the rind, the white flesh is crisp, firm, and aqueous, encasing 3 cavities filled with small, semi-soft ivory seeds suspended in a gelatinous liquid in between strings of white fibers. When ripe, Korean melons will have a subtle aroma, feel heavy for their size, and will yield slightly when pressure is applied. The entire melon is edible, including the rind, flesh, and seeds. The rind bears a somewhat bitter taste, and the seeds and fibers are often considered the sweetest portion of the melon. The flesh has a crunchy, succulent texture with a mild, subtly sweet, and floral flavor with banana, cantaloupe, cucumber, and honeydew nuances. Nutritional value. Korean melons are an excellent source of vitamins A and C to reduce inflammation, boost collagen production to improve skin complexion and strengthen the immune system. The melons are also a good source of potassium to balance fluid levels within the body, fiber to regulate the digestive tract, and contain lower amounts of vitamin K and calcium. In Korea, the melon's flesh is viewed as a source of hydration, and the seeds were traditionally consumed as a remedy for indigestion. Applications. Korean melons have a delicate floral, sweet, and subtly vegetal flavor well suited for chilled, fresh preparations. The entire melon is edible, including the rind and seeds, but some consumers choose to discard the skin due to its bitter nature. Korean melons are most popularly peeled, chilled, and cut into pieces for consumption as a refreshing snack. The flesh can be tossed into green salads, mixed into fruit bowls, or stirred into yogurt as a filling breakfast dish. Korean melons can also be halved and topped with soft cheeses, used as an edible serving bowl, or sliced and wrapped in prosciutto as a savory sweet appetizer. The neutral flavored flesh can be combined with other fruits into smoothies, cocktails, and fruit punches, or it can be blended with sweeteners to make popsicles or ice cream. In addition to fresh preparations, Korean melons can be simmered into jams for filling in pastries, or they can be quickly pickled and fermented as a tangy condiment and side dish. Korean melons pair well with fruits such as pears, watermelon, apples, berries, lychee, cantaloupe, honeydew, and citrus, cucumbers, ginger, mint, coconut milk, and soft cheeses such as feta, mascarpone, and ricotta. Whole, uncut Korean melons will keep up to 1 week when stored in the refrigerator. Once sliced, the melon pieces should be wrapped in plastic and stored for 2 to 3 days in the fridge.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe.